Hi, welcome back to Allie's Leaf Lab. Hi, I'm Allie, and today we're making 3 yummy desserts that are naturally sweet and have no added sugar. They are perfect for kids and super fun to make together, so let's get started. First up, we're making banana ice cream. Ice cream is a yummy frozen dessert that tastes just like ice cream, but is made without any ice cream maker and without any added sugar. It is really easy to make and naturally sweet from the bananas. You just peel some ripe bananas and freeze them. Then put the bananas in a blender or food processor and blend them until smooth and creamy. The longer you blend them, the smoother they will be. And if they are too hard to blend, let them sit out at room temperature for a few minutes to soften. This ice cream is so delicious and refreshing. It's perfect for a hot day, and it's a great way to use up ripe bananas that might otherwise go bad. Next, we are going to make date energy bites. These little bites are packed with protein, fiber, and healthy fats, making them a perfect snack for kids who need a little extra energy during the day. They are also naturally sweetened with dates, so there is no need to add any sugar. To make the energy bites, we are going to pit and blend dates with some walnuts, then roll the mixture into little balls and enjoy. So grab a blender or food processor and let's get started. Pitting the dates can be a little bit tricky, so I'll show you how to do it quickly and easily. Just cut off both ends of the date, then use a knife to pry open the skin and remove the pit. Once all the dates are pitted, add them to the blender along with the walnuts and a splash of water. Blend everything until it forms a sticky dough-like consistency. If it's too dry, add a little bit more water, 1 tablespoon at a time, until it's easy to work with. Now take the dough and roll it into little balls about 1 inch in diameter. Place the balls on a plate and roll them around until they are coated in the shredded coconut. You can also roll them in chopped nuts or seeds for a different texture and flavor. And there you have it, delicious and nutritious date energy bites. They are so good. And now for the big finale, we are going to make mango yogurt bark. This recipe is super fun and easy to make, and the result is a delicious and refreshing treat that is perfect for summer. We're going to mix mango puree with plain yogurt, spread it on a baking sheet, sprinkle it with chopped nuts, and then let it freeze. Once it's frozen, we'll break it into pieces and enjoy. Making yogurt bark is a great way to get kids involved in the kitchen because they can help with every step of the process. Plus, they'll love getting to taste the finished product. So let's get started. So grab a bowl and mash the mango until it's smooth. If you don't have ripe mangoes, you can use frozen mango that you thaw out first. Once the mango is mashed, add the yogurt and stir until it's well combined. Now pour the mixture onto a baking sheet that is lined with parchment paper. Spread it out to form an even layer. Now let's get creative with the toppings. Chop up some nuts and sprinkle them on top of the yogurt mixture. You can use any nuts you like or even seeds like sesame or pumpkin seeds. Get the kids involved in this step so they can help decorate their own dessert. Once the toppings are evenly distributed, place the baking sheet in the freezer and let it harden for at least 2 hours. To break the yogurt bark into pieces, just use a hammer or your hands to break it up. Be careful though, because it will be very cold and hard. These recipes are so much fun to make and even more fun to eat. They are not only delicious, but also very nutritious. The banana ice cream is a great source of potassium and vitamin C. The date energy bites are packed with protein, fiber, and healthy fats. And the mango yogurt bark is a good source of calcium and probiotics. Plus, they are all naturally sweetened, so there's no need to add any sugar. As you can see, making healthy desserts doesn't have to be complicated. With these easy recipes, you can impress your family and friends with delicious treats that are made with wholesome ingredients. So give them a try and let us know what you think. And remember, cooking and baking together is a great way to bond with your kids and teach them about nutrition and cooking skills. It's so much fun to get creative in the kitchen and make something delicious together. When my kids help me make desserts, they are not only learning valuable life skills, but they are also developing a love for cooking and trying new foods. It's amazing to see their little hands measuring ingredients and mixing everything together. Plus, they love getting to taste the finished product and seeing that they helped make it. So get your kids involved in the kitchen and make some yummy treats together. Who knows? You might just create a future chef. Now, let's move on to the fun fact. Did you know that dates have been enjoyed as a natural sweetener for thousands of years? They were used by ancient civilizations such as the Egyptians, Greeks, and Romans, and are still popular today for their unique flavor and chewy texture. Dates are not only a delicious snack, but they are also a great source of nutrients, including fiber, potassium, and vitamin B6. They are often used in traditional dishes such as date cakes, date puddings, and date stuffed chicken. Well, that's it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed watching and learned something new. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fun and educational videos. And don't forget to follow us on social media for more fun science experiments and behind-the-scenes fun. Thanks for watching. See you next time. All right, leafers, it's time for some fun in the sun. Summer is here, and that means lots of outdoor fun. But don't forget to stay safe while you're having fun in the sun. So grab your sunscreen, wear your hat and sunglasses, and stay hydrated. And don't forget to have fun. Make some yummy snacks together and enjoy the great outdoors. Have a great summer vacation and stay safe. Wow, this batch of banana ice cream is almost ready. Wow, it looks so yummy and creamy. It smells delicious. Can I try some? Sure, here you go. This is delicious. It tastes just like ice cream, but healthier. Yeah, it's so good. I can't stop eating it. Me neither. It's the perfect summer treat. Ooh, the date energy bites are ready. Let's try one. These are so chewy and sweet. They taste like little bites of heaven. I love them. They're so good. I can't stop munching on them. Me neither. They're so satisfying. And now it's time for the mango yogurt bark. Wow, it looks so refreshing and fruity. Let's break off a piece. Ah, it's so cold and crunchy. And the mango flavor is so delicious. It tastes like a tropical vacation in my mouth. I love it. It's so good. We made so much deliciousness today. I'm so glad we made these recipes together. It was so much fun. Yeah, me too. I can't wait to make more yummy treats with you. Let's give each other a high five. High five. Great job today, Leafer. You're such a great helper. Thanks, Allie. I had so much fun. Bye for now.